Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have been doing a whole lot more cleanup and just kind of getting things in different piles, if you will, that are going to go away and never come back. Things that want to be kept, my wife's stuff, and just kind of getting cleaned up and organized. And in a short video I dropped a few days ago, I mentioned I bought the Harbor Freight Yukon shelves and the Braun 4-foot LED shop lights. They're out there. I've already installed them. I'm going to talk about them. I want to tell you a little bit about them and what I think. And I've been doing cleanup all around. And I just want to give you some continuity between where the last video was and where I'm going to be in the next video, where I do start to work on that car that's out there. And I'm going to cut all the cleanup out, because you don't really need to see that, and we'll go right to where I'm going to end the video and talk about the other stuff. So let's do that. It is Tuesday about lunchtime. Going to be a 90-degree day today. Not really happy about that, but it'll cool off even more soon enough. It was only 55 this morning. Darn near needed a sweater. But anyway, I think I've done good work out in the garage. It's not as beautiful as I would like it, but it is certainly clean enough and organized enough now to be called a shop. Outside, don't pay attention to this room I'm about to go through. I have yet to work out here yet. Oh, I've cleaned it up multiple times. You know, this is one of the few times in my life that I have actually not cleaned up by moving a mess from one place to another. Everything out here is either going to be given away or thrown away. And there's just no way out of it. It's got to go. And I don't care if I need it later. I don't care if I need parts off it to fix something else. It's got to go, and it is going to go. My wife's bicycles, I'm going to clean them up and put them over here for her, and she can make up her mind. I kind of got things squared away over here a little bit. Got to do a little bit more weed whacking here and blowing, but I'm out of string for the weed eater. Same with the over here. I got a lot of this stuff moved. I'm pretty happy with it. Still not 100% sure. I'm not going to get rid of the Harbor Freight canopy. But out here, I got the lights up. And I got the cords well enough to work out here. I never intended any of this to be really permanent, although I have to admit I like it. The light up here is clear of the door. The door will block that light, but if that door is open, I will have more than enough light at this end of the shop. And then down here, I've got the lights wired over to this multi-outlet, and I can turn them on and off like this. The Yukon shelves are pretty light duty. I really doubt that I'd want to put much more than about 25 pounds on each shelf, and they do say 150 pounds maximum. They get the job done, and they were on sale and they were cheap, and that's fine. I also came out last night when it was dark, and I kind of made a quick video out here to show you how well these lights work in the dark, and I'm going to insert that here. So it is right about 6:30 in the evening, and it is pitch black inside that shed. I don't even think you can see the doorway. Here is the pitch blackness inside here where the car is. You can see out. And I'm going to put the camera down here on the tripod. In fact, just to make it even more dramatic, I'm going to slide the door shut. Okay, here we go. So this is what those 3 Braun lights, what it looks like in here with those 3 Braun lights. And honestly, I am extremely impressed with it. I was not expecting them to light this up this good. I really wasn't. It's pretty. These are $14 4-foot shop lights. I think that's absolutely amazing. I couldn't have asked for more than that from, what, 45 bucks worth of lights? And this is more stuff out here than I really wanted, but it's stuff I do need to keep. And of course, the tires will be on the car soon. And yeah, so this is all how it's going to be while I'm working on this car. So In the next video, I'm going to be uncovering this car, unveiling it, although a lot of you probably already know what it is. And we'll be talking about its history. And I'll be getting the wheels off it to get the tires put on it. And we'll walk around it. We'll talk about it. We'll look inside it. Because like I say, it's been 10, 12 years since I've had the cover off of it. So I'm pretty sure I know what it looks like. I grew up with this car. But it'll be fun to see it again. Certainly it'll be fun to see it sitting on tires, and even more fun to hear it running again. And yeah, so thanks for watching this cleanup video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. This will be the last of the cleanup videos other than cleaning the car up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.